This Mexican noodle soup is pure comfort and it's ready in under 30 minutes. Sopa de Fideo con pollo coming right up. Stay with us. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. If you grew up on the Texas-Mexico border, you already know Sopa de Fideo is home. Today I'm showing you how to make it step by step. Let's get into it. This recipe makes enough for about 4 to 6 people. For our sopa de fideo, we will need 1 teaspoon of oil, half a package of fideo noodles, 1 tablespoon of tomato chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 fresh tomato chopped into small pieces, 4 carrots peeled and chopped, 1 zucchini chopped, 6 cups of water, and 1 large chicken breast cut into small pieces. Bring your water to a boil. Add the chicken, vegetables, tomato chicken bouillon, salt and pepper. Cover and simmer on medium-low for 15 minutes. While that's going, heat your oil over medium heat. Add the fideo and toast it, stirring constantly for 3 to 5 minutes until it's golden brown. Don't skip this step. Toasting the fideo in oil is what separates a great sopa from a bland one. Set it aside. If you're enjoying this recipe, hit like and subscribe. It helps us keep these videos coming. After 15 minutes, add your toasted fideo to the pot and stir everything together. Cover and simmer for another 10 minutes. That's it, 1 pot and done. This is sopa de fideo, simple and satisfying. Serve it as is or add warm tortillas and a squeeze of lime on the side. For more Tex-Mex and Mexican recipes done right, head to texmexathome.com. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now it's time to try it. Delicioso. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.